Hi everyone, it's getting to be that time of year again. Happy Easter. Today I'll be making air fryer cream egg croissant balls. And actually I'll be using crescent rolls, so they'll be air fryer cream egg crescent balls. What all goes into my air fryer cream egg crescent balls? 6 Cadbury cream eggs frozen for 2 hours. I actually have 15 of them in the freezer right now. Crescent dough chilled, and I have a 2-pack of 8 crescent rolls, 1 egg beaten, and since I have 15 of the eggs, I will be making 15 of these, so one of the crescent rolls I won't be using. So let's begin. So take your crescent rolls. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. And separate them into the triangles. I'm going to put this one in the refrigerator to keep it chilled. And the reason why you freeze the Cadbury eggs is so that they will take a longer time in melting, so they will not ooze out all over the place. I have to do more than one batch. And I bought different kinds of the cream eggs. I bought the caramel, I bought the regular kind, and I bought chocolate. So I'll be using all 3. And then it'll be a surprise when you bite into them, hopefully. So take your egg, whichever flavor. These are the regular cream eggs, but we won't know when they're all cooked. Take your cream egg and stick it up here at the long end. And I kind of pushed them in and wrap them around and close. Seal off the ends so the chocolate will not leak out, hopefully, like that. Now I'm going to hurry up and get those done, and then I'll be right back. Preheat your air fryer at 400 for 5 minutes. We don't want to turn, and hit start. While the air fryer is preheating, we're going to egg wash the little balls all over so they get brown and nice and golden, hopefully. And I'm hoping that they're still frozen so they won't leak out. I don't move very fast. And I'm only going to be doing 5 at a time, just because that's how many eggs are in a box. So I'll actually be doing 3 batches. All right, so we're going to add our food. We'll put in our liner, which I lightly greased, and we'll stick these in not touching and let them cook until they're golden brown, about 5 minutes. And here they are. Don't they look really good? They got nice golden brown. I will carefully move them. Bottom's not done. I turn them over, and then we'll cook them for another minute on that side. You don't want to have doughy. They're sticking to the bottom, which isn't good. I did lightly grease that, and I was so proud of those. Don't want preheat, we don't want turn, we want 400, and we want 1 minute. Okay, let's see how they turned out. All right, so they look like they're done. The shape is not as good as it was before, but we'll take them out and let them cool. Once they cool, they probably will set up a little bit. So we'll let them cool for 10 minutes before we serve them. I'll go ahead and finish the rest of them, and I'll be back. So here are the air fryer cream egg crescent balls. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Homemade biscuits.
Those are
Heavy.
air fryer cream egg crescent balls. You know those Cadbury eggs?
Yeah.
That's what's in there. And I have 3 flavors. I got the regular, I've got the caramel, and I've got the chocolate one, so I don't know which ones you've got.
That's interesting. It's really sweet. The bread tones it down just a tiny bit, but still sweet. I'm gonna make a mess. I know I'm gonna make a mess.
Oh, it's not too melty.
It's not too bad. And it's still kind of warm too. This way you can pick one up that's warm and not make a mess. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.